Hey, who wants to get old and look old? Not me. I'm sure you don't either. Did you know most people relate the look of your skin to how healthy you are? So taking care of your skin and your whole body from the inside out is an important way we can provide self-care to ourselves and lessen the aging process. Wrinkles. Why do we get them? Well, with age, we lose the volume and plumpness and elasticity in our skin. We also, unfortunately, have less ability to spring back from repetitive facial expressions. Too bad we can't be like babies, sleep like this, and have nice plump skin. Well, the good news is I have 8 anti-aging tips to kind of slow down that process so you can still look young and feel young. Okay, the first thing, number 1, is moisturize regularly and wear SPF or sunscreen. Let's talk about sunscreen. It is so important to wear it daily because UV exposure, even on cloudy days, driving in your car, is the worst extrinsic aging factor. I love some of my Young Living products because they're clean. And this is one of my favorite things, the Mineral Sunscreen 50. And I just put a little bit and it goes right underneath my makeup and I'm protecting my skin. The other thing I said was moisturize daily. It's so important to as we age, our skin gets drier. So it's so important to put a good moisturizer cream on in the morning and the nighttime before bed. Now, my favorite is this one from Young Living. Of course, it's my favorite company because of the ingredients I could trust. I'm not putting toxic things on my skin. Bloom is great because this cream is nice and thick and it's brightening. Great for uneven skin tone, anti-aging. This is my favorite. So when you apply it too, think about using angel fingers, patting it gently and going up and out. Gently, not stretching or pushing your skin. Tap it, kind of like a facial massage. One of the other things that I love doing and recommend for that moisture is doing a facial serum and under eye serum. If you want luxury, lots of moisture, help with wrinkles, this is called nickname Botox in a bottle, and it's Young Living CBD Beauty Boost. I love it. It smells great. It's also not just CBD, no zero THC by the way, but it's infused with rose essential oil, which is the highest level luxurious skin loving essential oil with it. So that combo is amazing. What I do is put a few, like half a dropper full with my nighttime cream and put it all over. Make sure you get your neck. It's really good on the top of your hands, your chest as well. So moisturize daily. This has also been known to help acne, sensitive skin, redness, wrinkles, all that. Botox in a bottle. Okay, the second thing that I want to say, anti-aging tip, it's free. Lessen repetitive motions. So, who likes drinking from a straw? When you go like drinking from a straw like that, you are making marks and furrows repetitively on your lips. And as we age, it's hard to lessen that. So have a beautiful smile, ditch the straw, drink from a glass cup. Maybe add some essential oils in there so that you'll love the drink, the water some more. Another thing that is repetitive is squinting, maybe bright sun, put on your sunglasses, or maybe you need to go to the eye doctor for a new prescription or get your eyes checked. Think about those things. Also, like lifting up your eyebrows, that repetitive motion is not good. When I put on makeup, I'm careful about not lifting my eyebrows and relaxing my face and kind of going like that to put on mascara. So lessen those repetitive motions that you do every day. Okay, number 3 is stress less. I know that's easy to say, but stress, think about this, causes chemical reactions and changes that lead to free radicals and age our cells. So chronic stress also releases the hormone cortisol that is not good. So that damages our collagen in our skin that we don't get more of, and elastin. So create space in your life. Say no sometimes. Do daily self-care, something for you. And I love using aromatherapy. One of my favorite oils is Stress Away. It's a scent with lime and vanilla essential oils, and it takes me away on a vacation whenever I smell it. All right, the next, I just felt like smelling it, so good. Number 4 is think about not looking down to read your phone, but at eye level to read your book or phone. We want to be careful about our neck and keeping it moisturized and straight and not creating those lines. There is something that's real called tech neck, with even young teens from always and kids looking down. So start a new habit by reading at eye level and propping up that phone or book. Okay, number 5, sleep enough and sleep on your back with a silk pillow. Okay, let's talk about sleep. You need the critical hour to get into bed. It's pretty late, 11 p.m. You can do this because that's when your skin's between 11-12 p.m. is when your skin is repairing itself. So you want to make sure you get enough sleep. Bad sleep quality negatively impacts your skin's repair process, so we don't want that. We don't want to give in to free radicals and oxidative stress on our skin. At night, that's when your skin goes into repair mode. So there's so many other reasons why you need enough sleep, but that's one, anti-aging. Okay, now, sometimes to help, I love having some aromatherapy like lavender. I already said Stress Away. I put frankincense on my skin before bed. It calms me, relaxes me. You might have your favorite bedtime routine. Taking a bath, reading a book, journaling, dimming the lights. Put on a timer on your phone so that you remember to get to bed on time. Now, sleeping the way you sleep is also important. On your side or stomach is not good for your skin. Try to sleep on your back so that you preserve your skin, and also thinking about a silk pillow. So when you touch your skin, you're not, it's not crinkling or has a harsh fabric. Okay, the next tip is cut back on sugar. Well, actually, before I say this, just my last 3 points is lots of our beauty is from within, our loving spirit and our heart. So remember that, smile more often. But also within is what you put in your body will show up on the outside in our skin. So you age well with good nutrition. So think about cutting back, limiting sugar. Sugar breaks down collagen and elastin in your skin. It causes sagginess. Oh, we don't want any of that. What I do, because I do have a sweet tooth, my little tip, my oily tip, is put peppermint, 1 drop, that's all, in a big glass of water and sip on that because it helps you cut back cravings. All right, number 7 is eat an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory rich diet. So things like berries, blueberries, nuts, kale, beans, beets, artichokes, and anything high in antioxidants. And my favorite product is Ningxia Red. This superfood drink has so many antioxidants, the highest level. You just need 1 to 2 ounces a day, and it tastes great. So that helps against the free radicals that age us. And finally, supplement. Unfortunately, the American diet does not have the right supplements. Our food is just not as rich in vitamins and minerals as they used to be. And so some of the supplements you need are vitamin B, and I'm going to mention Young Living supplements because I believe that they are the best. They're infused with essential oils so they absorb better, and I highly recommend them. Super B, it has all the B vitamins in there. It gives you energy, but it also helps repair DNA, which prevents aging. So It also helps with hair, skin, and nails. Bonus. Okay, vitamin C. You need this. Young Living has a Super C that's chewable or tablets. But C produces collagen and helps with sunspots and the pigmentation of your skin. It deactivates that UV-induced free radicals, so protection against your skin. Zinc is important. It helps stabilize hydration because we need more moisture in our skin, right? Now, a healthy gut is important to a healthy skin. It really shows up. I definitely break out more if I don't have healthy digestion. So I love taking Young Living's daily prebiotic fiber. It's just a powder that tastes good, and I put in my water. A lot of times I do it along with Ningxia Red. And that has fiber and prebiotics. You also need the probiotics, so grab a good one. I love Life 9, and my kids take Mighty Pro. Lastly, two more things. My two favorite supplements that you might not heard of. One is sulfurzyme. It contains MSM. It's an organic sulfur that our body doesn't make, and it helps your cells regenerate. It's good for healthy skin, nails, hair, and even your joints. So it also contains prebiotics with wolfberry powder. And finally, collagen. Type 1 collagen is important for anti-aging. Young Living has the Inner Beauty Collagen, and scientific studies have shown that in just several weeks, by taking it daily, it improves fine lines and wrinkles. This collagen also contains tapioca fiber for your gut support, vitamin C, zinc, antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, and vanilla, so it tastes good. You could just put it in the powder in any liquid, coffee, smoothie. And there has been a lot of results with that, even with growing hair and just beautiful skin. So which anti-aging tip are you gonna try tonight? Are you gonna hold up your phone and read better? Are you gonna get better sleep? Are you gonna start moisturizing more with some really good clean beauty products? Let me know, and I can't wait to have you look young and feel young.